Psalm 29. The voice upon the waters. Give unto the Lord, O ye mighty, give unto the Lord glory and strength. Give unto the Lord the glory due unto his name. Worship the Lord in the beauty of holiness. The voice of the Lord is upon the waters. The God of glory thundereth. The Lord is upon many waters. The voice of the Lord is powerful. The voice of the Lord is full of majesty. The voice of the Lord breaketh the cedars, yea, the Lord breaketh the cedars of Lebanon. He maketh them also to skip like a calf, Lebanon and Syrian like a young unicorn. The voice of the Lord divideth the flames of fire. The voice of the Lord shaketh the wilderness. The Lord shaketh the wilderness of Kadesh. The voice of the Lord maketh the hinds to calve, and discovereth the forests. And in his temple doth every one speak of his glory. The Lord sitteth upon the flood, yea, the Lord sitteth, King forever. The Lord will give strength unto his people. The Lord will bless his people with peace. Devotional meditation. Psalm 29 is thunder made poetry. It is the song of the God whose voice tears through heaven and earth, yet ends in peace. This is the psalm of creation's reverence and the temple's awe. It speaks of the majesty, power, and unstoppable resonance of divine utterance. The voice of the Lord is not symbolic here. It is literal, transformative, shaking the cedars and calming the flood. This psalm is prayed when reclaiming dominion, declaring God's rule in nature, or consecrating spaces for his voice to dwell. Invocation of Activation. O voice of majesty, thunder over my chaos. Break through the cedars and flood my temple with awe. Speak peace over your people and strength to stand. Let all creation echo your glory. Amen.